How to buy PVS token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 days ago. As you can see, if you want to be able to buy this token, we need to go to Radium. Now, as you can see, if you go to Radium, you need to connect your wallet first. Select your wallet from here. We'll use the Bitget wallet. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, click here and go back to this token page on the screen. You can copy the token on this, go back and paste the token on this here. And as you can see, you'll be able to see this token. Now click on add token and click on it again. As you can see, you'll be able to see it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, use it here. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now click on more info and read that information here. Click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy PVS token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.